that is it. So you have completed the course successfully, and I really congratulate you for completing with great patience a very important topic. And I really wish you all the best. We have understood the basic principles which are desired or which are required in order to manufacture these kind of parts, especially the plastic parts. uh, to be honest, there might be few more additional things which might be required to consider when we are manufacturing these designs, but it is beyond the limits of the course. I did my best to make a comprehensive, concise course using an example which is most commonly used or which has been commonly used in our childhoods and in our childhood and I believe you have understood, and you have understood the complete process of product development, how a product is converted from a conceptual stage to a finished stage. Okay, and it is basically a back and forth process. It is an iterative process. The designs are not made in one day. There are engineers, designers, and manufacturing people who are involved in the product development. All of them combine together as a team. They have constant meets, and they try to communicate the issues, the requirements between themselves, and try to sort the model or the product whatever they are going to make. And obviously the manufacturing is not done in one go. Prototypes are built, those are tested, the electronics are tested, the functionality of the part is tested, the strength, and all those factors are considered. In our project, we haven't gone to those levels because it is impossible for us to call in some manufacturing people and ask them to evaluate the manufacturability of the part which we have developed. But on a general note, we have understood what are the minimum criteria which are required in order to manufacture these parts. I really hope that the knowledge gained through this course will enhance your skills and knowledge and act as a foundation for you to learn more in these fields and develop yourself. Thank you and have a wonderful career ahead.